Hello guys, welcome to Rise Up with Abhishek, and today we are covering chapter 1 of Geography class 6, the Earth in the solar system. Let's take a look on the index that what does it chapter contain? What does this chapter contain of? So this chapter first point is stars and moon, second point is solar system, and third point is outer bodies, means some bodies which are not our planets, not our stars, some mysterious things. Now let's start. So first came the moon. So what is the moon? So all those shining bodies, like all those twinkling stars, it can be stars, moons, all those bodies which shine in the sky, night sky, is known as celestial bodies. When you see in the night sky, there are many stars, they shine. So these are celestial bodies. It can be moon, it can be stars, it can be moon, it can be sun. So moon is also celestial body, and it is the natural satellite of our earth because it always rotate rotate around our earth. And moon doesn't have its own light. Yeah, it shines, but moon doesn't have its own light. It get light from the sun. As you can see in this diagram, here is our sun, here's our moon, and this is our earth. So sun gave the light to the moon, and moon gave the light to the earth. That shines, moon shines. And moon also changes its phase. Like sometimes you see in the sky that there is no moon, black, so that night is known as amavasya, no moon night. And sometimes we say that, see that there is full moon, like whole circle moon, so that is purnima, that night is known as purnima. Now come the stars. So stars are also celestial bodies because it also shines in the sky. Sun is also star. Sun is also star. It is very tiny star. It is very small star. Many stars are more bigger than the sun. Why it look big to us? Because sun is the closest star to our earth. And some stars form the pattern in the sky. Like if we start drawing a pattern to the star, like dot this match, dot this match, so it will form some patterns. That patterns is known as constellation. Constellation, the pattern which are formed by star are known as constellation. And in ancient times, like in ancient times, people used to determine direction during night. People used to determine direction during night with the help of stars. So in like many years ago, when there was no transport, nothing, so people used to determine direction with the help of star. How? There was a star known as pole star. It was a very shiny star, and it never changes its position. So people can get an idea by seeing that star, that at what place are they. I mean, suppose I am seeing a pole star, now I can get an idea that where I am. So with the help of this pole star, many people determine their direction. Now come the solar system. As we know that our solar system contains of 8 planets. Sun is not a planet, it is a star, and it is at the middle of this solar system. The first planet came is Mercury, then came the Venus, then came the Earth, then came Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Neptune, Uranus. Neptune. Now all the planets move around the sun, like our earth move around the sun, and all the planets move at their own direction, like in their own axis rotation around the sun revolution. So let's take, every planet takes different time to complete this timestamp. Let's look. So Mercury take 88 days to complete a revolution, means its 1 year is about 88 days. Our 1 year is 365 days in the earth, but Mercury take only 88 days. And but one day, its one day is about 59 days. We use only 24 hours. Our Earth takes it to 24 hours, but Mercury takes it at 59 days. Venus takes 255 days for the year and 243 days for a day. Earth, as we know, takes 365 days for a year, and it's also considered a leap year. So let me tell you that how do we consider leap year? Actually, our Earth doesn't take exact 365 days to complete a 1 year. Our Earth take 365 days and 6 hours. So we don't mind that 6 hours. We just collect that 6 hours and then add it to the fourth year, means the leap year. So that day is added to the month of February. That's why in leap year, the month of February has 29 days. And our Earth take 24 hours to complete one day. And our Earth has only one moon. Mars takes 687 days to complete a year. One day, like Earth, to complete a day. And it has two moons. Jupiter take 11 years, 11 months to complete 1 year. And 9 hours, 56 minutes for a day. And it has 16 moons. Saturn take 29 years, 5 months for a year, and 10 hours, 40 minutes for a day, and has 18 moons. Uranus take 84 years to complete a year, and 17 hours, 14 minutes for a day, and 17 moons. Neptune have 164 years to complete 1 year, and 16 hours, 7 minutes to complete a day. And now came the sun. So sun is also a star, means it is a celestial body. It lies at the center of our solar system, and it is a huge ball made of hot gases, and it provides pulling force, means it it work like a magnet. Everything which come around it, it take it inside it. And sun also gives some heat, and it is very far from the earth. It's about 150 million kilometers from the earth. Now came the planets. So there are 8 planets, as we have discussed: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. And here is an easy way to memorize all the planets. A shortcut. My very efficient mother just served us nuts. My very efficient mother just served us nuts. My very efficient mother just served us nuts. So Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. This is a shortcut for remembering all the planets. Now we have 8 planets, and it move in a fixed path. Like they move around the sun. It doesn't happen that they are moving zigzag, zigzag, zigzag. They move straight circle. So they have a fixed path, and this path is known as orbit. What orbit? Like this line is known as orbit, in which these planets are moving. Now came some outer bodies, means asteroids. So apart from stars, from sun, there is also some asteroids. It is not celestial bodies, and they are found between Mars and Jupiter. Between Mars and Jupiter, there is a belt known as asteroid belt. So we also considered that all the planets before the asteroid belt are hot, and all the planets after asteroid belt are cold. Now second is meteor. Meteor are also same as asteroid, but it is small rocks, and it doesn't move. It doesn't lie between Mars and Jupiter. It move around the sun. That's why these are different. And sometimes they drop on the earth and cause a big blast. Now let's take a look on our world. Like we live on our earth, and earth lies in solar system. And our solar system, like this is a galaxy, our milky, this is a galaxy. Our galaxy contain many of the solar systems. Our galaxy contain many of the solar system. Like this galaxy has thousands of solar systems, or millions we can say. And a universe contain lot of galaxies. Like this, these are a lot of galaxies. Then came a multiverse. These all tiny balls are our universe. It is also said that there are many universe, and all this whole package of this universe is known as a multiverse. So guys, we have completed our chapter 1 of geography. Hope you like it and understand it properly. So please like my video and share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe with this to this channel. We will meet in our next chapter.